Well, my dear friends, here is Vikram Kumar sir, and today I am just going to teach you that how to remove the hesitation as well as shyness. When we are going on the stage, at the time we are scared. So today our class is how can we perform on the stage with happy mood. So first of all, I would like to call one lady. She is really talented and genius. So help me welcome. There is none another, one and only Priyanka. So Priyanka, please come the stage. Put your hands together for her.
हर शाम आती है कुछ याद लेकर, हर शाम जाती है कुछ याद लेकर, और आज की शाम आई है बहुत खास, जो आई है हम सभी को एक साथ लेकर. So good evening all of you. This is me, Priyanka, your host for today. As we say, God helps those who helps themselves. So let's start the program in the name of the Lord. And thank you, Mr. Vikram sir, for giving me a golden opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Our program theme is storytelling. What is storytelling? Storytelling is an art. This impact on the life of kids and adult also. Storytelling teaches us moral values. So storytelling totally development our mind. So storytelling our life very important. Storytelling is achievement our life. So don't waste your time. I would like to call Mr. Ritik. Ritik, come on the stage and speak on topic tit for tat. So a big round applause, Mr. Ritik. Ritik, come on the stage and please say the story tit for tat.
Hello everyone, I am Ritik Gauradi and today I want to say one story. The title of this story is Tit for Tat. Thank you ma'am to give me opportunity for storytelling. Once upon a time there was a village. Old man used to live in village. He had a daughter. The girl name was Ria. Ria was a stubborn girl. One day Ria went in front of father. Then Ria said, Papa, I need money. Then father said, now I don't have money. I will give you money tomorrow. Then Ria said, if you won't give money then I won't go to school. Then Ria came out from home. Then Ria began to shout loudly, I hate you Papa, I hate you Papa, I hate you. Then Ria thought I should go to mountain. Then she should go to mountain. Then Ria began to shout loudly, I hate you Papa, I hate you Papa, I hate you. Same sound returned from mountain, I hate you. Then Ria got scared, there is a ghost in the mountain. Then Ria ran away from there and came home. Then father asked, what happened? Then Ria said everything to his father. Then father, after a few minutes, father said, let's go. Then both went to mountain. Then father said, tell daughter, what had you said? Then Ria began to shout loudly, I hate you Papa, I hate you Papa, I hate you. Same sound returned from mountain, I hate you. Then father said, tell daughter, I love you Papa. Then Ria began to shout loudly, I love you Papa, I love you Papa, I love you. Same sound returned from mountain, I love you. Then Ria got happy, there is a ghost is my friend. Then father made a understand to Ria, if there isn't ghost here, if you will respect her, then other will respect you. If you will wear red goggle, then world will look red. If you will wear white goggle, then world will look white. So by this story we can say that tit for tat. Thank you.
Well said, Mr. Ritik. Thank you so much, Ritik. Well said, Ritik. It is indeed truly, because karma is returned back. So if we do good, it will be good. We do bad, it will be bad. So tit for tat is good topic. Don't waste your time. I would like to my second candidate, Mr. Amar. Amar, come on the stage. Please a big round applause, Mr. Amar. How are you, Amar?
I am fine, ma'am. And you?
I am also fine, Amar. And let's about your story.
I am telling a story. My story name is Mind is the Best. Once upon a time, there was a village. Old man was used to live in village. He had three sons. Three sons were very lazy. One day, old man was about to die. He thought, I should take exam with my sons. He called our elder son and asked, can you bring wood from forest? Elder son said, yes, Papa, I can bring wood from forest. Elder son got ready. After getting ready, he began to go to forest. But when he was going to forest, he saw Bikram sir was dancing with Riya. He thought, I should also dance. He went in front of Bikram sir and asked, can I dance with you? Bikram sir said, yes, why not? He began to dance, but when he was dancing, he thought, I am getting late. He went to forest. He reached forest. He saw there is nothing but tree there. He began to cut tree, but when he was cutting tree, ghost appeared. Ghost said, if you will cut tree, then I will kill you. And having listened this, elder son got scared. Elder son ran away and came home. Father said, where are wood? Elder son said, sorry papa, I couldn't bring wood from forest. I will father said. After some time, father said, what to do, where to go, whom to call, how to bring wood. He called second son and asked, can you bring wood from forest? Second son said, yes papa, I can bring wood from forest. Second son faced same problem. After some time, father said, what to do, where to go, whom to call, how to bring wood. He called third son and asked, can you bring wood from forest? Third son said, yes papa, I can bring wood from forest. Third son said, but I have two conditions. Father said, tell son, what is your condition? Third son said, I need a shirt inside a big packet, and second condition, I need a one bowl of kheer. Father said, okay, I fulfill your condition. Third son got ready. After getting ready by tractor, he reached forest. He saw there is nothing but tree there. He began to cut tree, but when he was cutting tree, ghost appeared. Ghost said, if you will cut tree, then I will kill you. Having listened this, third son didn't scare. Third son said, I will kill you. Ghost said, I am ghost, how can you kill me? Third son said, let's play a game. I have one bowl of kheer. Let's divide into two parts. Who will eat in first, then who will call winner. Both of them started eating, but third son wasn't eating. Third son, rather he was keeping in his packet. Third son said, I am winner, I am winner, I am winner. Ghost said, you are a cheater. If you will eat kheer, then you came out from his stomach. Third son took knife and attacked his stomach. Kheer came out from his stomach. Third son said, can you do this? Ghost said, yes, I am ghost, I can do everything. Ghost took knife and attacked his stomach. Ghost was died. Because ghost life present in his navel. Third son cut wood and reached home. Father said, where are wood? Third son said, woods are on the tractor. Father, having seen this, father become happy. Third son said, father said, really you are genius and talented. So by this story, mind is the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amar. A beautiful story. Thank you, guys. Did you like the story? Yes. Thank you. Mind is the best. It is indeed truly, because mind is a mystery. Mind is a mystery because mind is total ruled our body. With one matchbox, we can cook food or we can burn house. So it is indeed truly. So I would like to end the program. Thank you all of you. Thank you for coming. Thank you your precious presence, precious time. Thank you so much. लेकिन जाते जाते मैं आप लोगों से दिनकर जी की दो पंक्तियां कहना चाहूँगी। खड़ा हिमालय बता रहा है डरो ना आंधी पानी से। खड़ा हिमालय बता रहा है डरो ना आंधी पानी से। खड़े रहो तुम अविचल होकर हर संकट तूफानों से। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू।